What up, family? Black Fitness checking in. So I just put up my gate. I still got to put the hinges in. I was actually just sitting it up here right now. I made it actually about 3 inches too long, so that way I can be able to cut both ends off. And my goal is, I've been sitting here debating, am I going to make it a sliding gate because it can slide that way, or will I make it an open gate where the swing in and open in? So I'm still in debate with that right now, but I do have one wheel, so I just had to buy 2 more wheels. So I'll probably end up buying those wheels and getting a track. Well, the support clips on both of the posts to slide it that direction. I got plenty of room to slide it that way, and that way to keep it solid, or I can cut it in the center. You know, I'm like I say, I'm in debate right now. And this here, I made this because I got a man gate. So I got a smaller little door that I'm going to put there as a smaller piece where I can actually have that closed, just walk through there. Because the way I had to make this, I didn't want to stop right there. Or I can actually put some more fencing. I do have some more piece where I can get it to extend there. Or I can put that man piece because I got one more panel that actually like half a piece will be in there. So, you know, that could be dope. So it's optional. So I'm sitting out here just weighing my options, man. But I'm getting my hog on this Sunday. Hog on.